Let me show you how to turn on or off voice detection on your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. So what's cool about these earphones is if they detect that you are actually starting to talk with someone or someone is starting to talk with you, they will actually disable the noise cancellation and you will be able to actually talk with someone very easily. So absolutely brilliant feature on this. If you want to manage this, so on your phone, if it's a Samsung phone, you simply go in your main phone settings and you can open the control panel on them. If you do not have Samsung phone, then you simply download the Galaxy wearable app in the Play Store and you can get access to it over here. And as you see over here, you have this auto switch to ambient sound. So yeah, you can enable it or disable it here. So if you want to. Also, by the way, these have got voice controls as well, so you can even control them using voice as well. So as you see, you can also enable the voice commands here as well if needed. Okay, good luck.